In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in Figma Slides. Whether you're polishing a pitch deck or updating a quick team presentation, the process is simple and consistent, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without missing a beat. First, open Figma and head to the home view. This is the dashboard where all your projects and files live. If you're already inside another file, you can return to home using the home icon in the top left of Figma. Being in the home view helps you quickly find the exact slide deck you want to work on. Next, locate and open the slide deck you want to edit. You'll see it listed among your recent files or inside the right team or project space. Click it once to open. This brings you into the slides file where your presentation is organized and ready to update. Inside the deck, select the specific slide that contains the text you want to change. You can do this by clicking the slide thumbnail on the left panel or by clicking the slide directly on the canvas. This focuses your view so you're editing the right content, which is especially helpful in larger decks. Now double-click directly on the text you want to edit. The cursor will appear inside the text box, indicating you're in text editing mode. If your text is small, take a moment to zoom in so you can see exactly what you're changing. Being precise here avoids formatting issues later. Type to update the text. You can correct wording, add details, or rewrite a headline. While you're typing, Figma preserves the existing styles, like font, size, color, and alignment, so you don't have to reapply formatting unless you want to. If you do need to tweak the look, you can highlight the text and adjust its properties in the right-hand panel. Keep your wording concise and consistent with the rest of the deck for a polished, professional feel. When you're finished, click anywhere empty on the canvas to exit text editing mode. This deselects the text box, locks in your changes, and lets you see the slide as your audience will. If something doesn't look right, simply double-click the text again and make quick adjustments. Figma autosaves as you go, so your updates are safe without any extra steps. That's the entire process. Go to Home, open your slide deck, pick the slide, double-click the text, type your changes, and click on Empty Space to finish. With these steps, you can update any slide quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching and happy editing.